How to sharpen your lawnmower blade. Before taking off the blade, unplug the spark plug wire or take out the battery if you are using an electric mower. Tip the mower with the filter facing up to prevent oil or gas from leaking out if you are using a gas-powered mower. Wearing protective gloves, hold on to the blade to prevent spinning and remove the nuts that are securing the blade to the mower. You may also use a lawnmower blade removal tool to secure the blade in place. Secure the blade into a vise and use a metal file to sharpen the blade, making strokes in one direction until the edge is sharpened. A bench grinder or drill with a sharpening stone may also be used to sharpen. Be sure to sharpen both sides equally to know if you have a balanced blade. Set the blade on a blade balancing tool. Sharpen the blade until it's level. To reinstall the blade, mount it on the mower and properly tighten the nuts. Once the blade is securely reinstalled, reconnect the spark plug or insert the battery, and you're ready to mow.